Hi there, and cheers for joining us today on Andy Robinson RC, and thanks for checking out this episode. Okay, so what we've got with us, well, we've got the Tamiya 2022 Thundershot. So as you can see, it's all done, but if you watched our unboxing video that we did, if you haven't, I'll put a link to that in the description. I did say I was going to cheat a little. Now what I've done is I've got my Thundershot chassis from 2021, which is the same chassis as this, and basically I've transplanted the wheels and tyres and the new Thundershot body onto it because it looks the same. The only thing I didn't do was put the Thundershot shocks on, which have changed ever so slightly to the more modern looking yellow CVAs instead of them. But apart from that, it is a Thundershot. Now, also, if you've seen a previous video, you can see there, I have upgraded some of the parts on this to the some of the Jazz Rider parts. You can see the hubs and the suspension brace at the back. And that's really what else I've been doing to the car, because I was going to be using this in a race at the Lakeland Classic this year, but can't do that now. I can only enter two-wheel drive. Anyway, so I said this is the 22 Thundershot. On my Thunder Dragon chassis. It's running a 17.5 brushless motor, and I've brought it down here. It's just near my house. This is the local golf course. We're on the car park and we're just giving it a bit of a run out. It's been absolute leathering it down this morning, so it's a bit wet, but it's all cool. So we're just going to put it down again and give it a bit more of a run for you. Also, as well, as you can see, the 2022 kit included the optional wing that you used to have to buy separately. I've put that on because for me, the Thundershot looks way better with that on. It's still not my favourite body on this series of buggies. It's Terra, Scorcher, Thunder Dragon, Thundershot, and then Fire Dragon. And also you've got the Saint Dragon that was brought out as a vehicle on this chassis earlier this year, and I do like that body. Anyway, so yeah, let's put it down, let's run it. I say, let's drive it. I don't know what happened then. I didn't do that. It just shut off. It was me going, I don't want it to go through the water. It's just shut off and gone through the water. Wow, that was not meant to happen, but oh well. Actually, what I'm going to do is going to turn my dual rates down. It's digging in quite a bit on the front. Yeah, that wasn't meant to happen at all. Yeah, what I did have to do with this as well, with the Thundershot kit, I replaced the gearbox internals on this because I'd damaged the spur by not having a pinion lined up right on my Thunder Dragon. So I've used that kit to repair this one. And yeah, it's going right. To be honest, these always seem to be a bit noisy to me, this chassis. But it's fine. Just got to accept I'm cleaning this later. But yeah, as far as I'm led to believe at the minute, all the Thundershots that came into the UK have been sold. Now, I don't know if that's true. Mine came from Jadlin Models or Jadlin Racing. So I don't know, I've not checked it out, but someone said that they'd all been sold. We'll see. But yeah, I quite like driving it. It's nice and fun. It does look good while it's driving about though, I'll give it that, even though it's not my favourite of bodies. Yeah, definitely have to clean this now. Good job the electrics are pretty much waterproof, isn't it? Cool, well, there you go. That is my now slightly more damp Tamiya Thundershock that I wasn't, oh, look at the state of that. I didn't mean for it to do that. I'm gonna have fun cleaning that later. Yeah, so there you go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a running video of the Tamiya 2022 Thundershock. And as I say, I'll link any previous videos on this chassis and the unboxing if you haven't seen it on this buggy. Right, as I said, we've got tons more content coming soon. We've got some really rare RC buggies to show you coming soon as well, so stay tuned for that. Right, I'm going to get run over by a large mower by the looks of it, so I'm going to go. Cheers for checking this video out, and I'm going to have to shout even louder. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Andy Robinson RC. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well, please. And take care, and we'll see you soon on the next one. Look after yourselves. Bye.